Welcome back to Healthynidhi, where good food is made easy. The weather is perfect to enjoy some warm quinoa recipes. We start by making green mint chutney, a must as an Indian side. We start by adding shallots or onion in a mixture along with garlic, green chilies, raw mangoes or amla, or even you can use lemon, cumin seeds, raisins for sweetness, salt to taste, fresh coriander, some mint, and give it a good blend. So here you can see you have some sweet and sour spicy green chutney in no time. Store refrigerated for a week if needed. Next up, we are making Quinoa Khichdi, much like the traditional khichdi recipe but only made protein rich by adding quinoa. We start by soaking quinoa along with moong dal. Quinoa has a bitter coating that needs to be washed away. Then in another pan, we add ghee or oil, curry leaves, bay leaves, whole spices like cardamom, cinnamon and cloves, along with cumin, and give it a stir. Once they release flavor, we add chopped onions, chopped ginger, some green chilies, chopped garlic and stir. Allow it to cook till it releases flavor and turns pink. To this, we are going to add some chopped carrots, some green beans, chopped cauliflower, chopped peas, and give it a stir. I am using fresh but frozen veg mix can also be used at this stage. Add salt to taste, some chili powder and turmeric, and give it a good stir. Add the washed lentil and quinoa to the mixture and add 2 cups of water. We add chopped tomatoes at this stage as we do not want the tomatoes to get mushy. Cover and cook for 20 minutes till the water is well absorbed and the vegetables and quinoa is cooked through. Add more water if needed to reach the desired consistency. Then we serve the warm quinoa with the prepared mint chutney. This Quinoa Khichdi is a perfect way to enjoy a wholesome one-pot protein meals during winter. Moving on, let's make a quinoa salad curry flavored. We start by soaking quinoa. Washing and soaking of quinoa is an important step in quinoa recipes. Next, we take a pan and add water, bay leaves, lemon peel, curry leaves. Cover and allow it to heat till all the water is released in water. Then we add the washed and soaked quinoa and cover and cook. For the extra protein, we take fresh or canned chickpeas, spices like cardamom, chili powder, cumin powder, some olive oil, mix it well to combine. Spread the spiced chickpeas on a baking sheet to roast. Once the quinoa cooks, separate the bay leaves, lemon peel and curry leaves and fluff the quinoa with a fork. To make the dressing, we add chopped garlic, olive oil, salt to taste, lemon juice and curry powder. Skip if you do not have curry powder. Salt and pepper to taste. In a serving bowl, spread the warm quinoa, cherry tomatoes, spring onions, pomerols, roasted chickpeas, olives, nuts of your choice, some coriander or parsley, and pour the dressing. Serve the salad warm or cold. So I hope you liked the recipe as much as I did, and in case you did, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and share the video with your friends and family. Till then, happy eating healthy.